Welcome to this quick guide on how to post to your discussion forum. In this video, we'll walk you through how to find the discussion forum, write your response, and post it successfully. A discussion forum may be located in the discussions area or within a module. In this case, it is within a module. We're going to click it and review the prompts. Before you begin, make sure to read the full prompt carefully and check if there's a grading rubric attached. If there is, use the rubric to help craft your response. It tells you exactly what your instructor is looking for, including content, structure, critical thinking, and how you engage with others. To post your response, type your reply in the text box and click Post. That's it. Your response is now live. To reply to a classmate, click Reply under their post, type your message, and hit Reply again. And that's how you post and respond in a discussion forum.